Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some Valentine's Day gift ideas for kids, your cousins, your brothers or sisters, or just any little human being in your life. But before I get into the video, I want to show you these cute little containers that I found at Dollar Tree. So if your baby likes to snack a lot, then these would be some really good containers because, well, there's two sides to it, and it's like this big, so maybe you can fill this in with like some teethers if they're babies. And then on this side, which is what I like, when you twist it off, there's this little section right here, and it's something small like this, and you can fill it up with something. I don't know what I would fill it up with. I mean, if it's for Hayden, I don't know what I would fill it up with, but yeah. But if you have older kids and they're like going to practice or whatever, it's only $1. It's good. Or for breakfast, you can do like your fruits, like a strawberry, some banana slices, apple slices, and on this side, you can do like some cinnamon sticks and then the syrup or the like white dressing you dip in. I don't know what it's called, but they're from Burger King. It's pretty good. But these are great find. So I picked myself up 2 because in around like 4 months we're going to San Antonio, and these are gonna come in handy. I mean, this is not gonna do much because we eat a lot of shit. Like, we eat a lot of snacks actually. So, but these are really great for Hayden. I'm just gonna throw one in my purse and go on with my day. But yeah, they're called the Lunch Storage Towers from Dollar Tree. But yeah, they're called the Lunch Storage Towers from Dollar Tree, and you'll be finding them, I think, where like the napkins and like paper plates are. I'm not too sure though, because that's where I found them. But if not, then they'll be like in the Tupperware section. But go get yourself some of these. So now I'm going to be showing you what I bought for Hayden's Valentine's gift basket. That's not his. So the first thing I got these on sale at JCPenney's, and they're some Cars themed plates. So since we're moving out to our apartment, Hayden needs his own plates. So I thought this would be a cute Valentine's Day gift. So I only got him these 2, so it came out to, I think, $5 because they were on sale. $5 for both. And then he needs his own toothbrush that he actually needs to use because ones that he got from the dentist, he just threw them away and they got dirty. I just gave it to him to play with. So I got him these 2 Thomas the Train toothbrushes. Can you tell? Yeah. So I got him, it came with 2, but I got them at Dollar Tree. I think they also had, they had a girl one. I don't know what it was though. But I like these because it was like cartoon theme, you know? Not a cartoon theme, but I didn't like just white and orange one, so I got him that. And then at Target in the dollar section, I got these 2 cute little books, and one says, I love you even if, and the other one says, I love you every little bit. I mean, they're not huge books, but it's for Hayden. He can't sit through a huge book. So this is super cute, a super cute idea. And also from the Dollar Tree section, I found these bubbles because Hayden is in love with them, and they're only $1. So if your baby or you know somebody's kids, if you know that they like bubbles, 3 for $1, which is good. At Dollar Tree, I don't think they had 3 for $1, but I think they had like a big one. So I don't know. I got these because I was already at Target. So for the last thing that I bought him was this Paw Patrol body wash, and I actually found this at Big Lots. I got this one for $1, and it's in the scent Barking Berry. I can't open it. Oh, there you go. Oh shoot. smells good. It smells like bubble gum, I guess you can say. But yeah, so he has his baby body wash. But I mean, this is cute, right? It's only $1. I mean, why not? So yeah. Oh, I got him that. And then I also got him this cute little card from Dollar Tree. It says free kisses with a dog on it because Hayden is in love with dogs. And on the inside it says, wishing you lots of Valentine wishes and puppy dog kisses. Happy Valentine's Day. So I'm going to write something cute in this little Valentine's card for him from me and his dad. And then I don't know how I'm going to fit all this stuff in here. But if I do, I got him this little cute container from Dollar Tree as well. It's not that big, guys. Like, I've been trying to fit all this stuff and it's not fitting. So I'm probably gonna have to put some stuff in here and then just get a gift bag, but I don't know. So I didn't spend a lot of money on him. Everything was mostly $1, and yeah. So if you guys are trying to figure out some places to go, I would go to Dollar Tree for sure, because Dollar Tree has everything there. Dollar Tree is a spot to go, especially for kids, because they break lots of things. Or like, you can get books like this at Dollar Tree for $1, and it's perfect. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up for finding everything for $1, and I'll see you in my next video.